Hi guys, and welcome to mathematics class with Teacher Matty. Today we're going to start a new unit, Unit 3. And today we're going to take a look at lesson 3.1, number, groups of 10. Now let's take a look at the warm-up. Look at these numbers. What do you see? 16, right? 18 and 17. How could you show these numbers using blocks? We can show 16 with 1/10, 1/10, and 6/1 blocks. We can show 18 with 1/10 block and 8/1, right? And 17 we can show with 1/10 block and 7/1 block. Now let's take a look at the next set of numbers. How are they different? We have 60, 80, and 70. These ones are called teen numbers, while these ones are 60, 80, 70. These ones are in group of tens. They are all in groups of tens. So how could you show these numbers using blocks? We can show this with 6/10. We can show this with 8/10. And we can show this with 7/10 blocks. Now let's take a look at this pair of numbers. What do you notice? We have 4 and 40. This one is in ones, and this one is in tens, 4/10. Next one, 2 and 20. 2 ones, 2/10, 0 ones. 5 and 50. 5 ones, and this one, 5/10, 0 ones. Now the last one, 3 and 30. We have 3/10, and we have, I beg your pardon, we have 3 ones, and we have 3/10 here. Now let's go on to the workout. Number 1, count by tens. Write the missing numbers. Let's count by 10. We have 10, 20. What is next? That's correct. 30, 40, 50. Part B, 30. We have one missing number, and the next one is 50. So the missing number would be, that's correct, 40. Part C, 40, 50, we have a missing number here, and 70, followed by 70. So what number is missing? That's correct, 60. And part D, we have 50, 60. We have 2 numbers missing, followed by 90. So what are the missing numbers? 70 and 80. That's correct. So now let's read them together, count them together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Again, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Part C, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Part D, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now let's go on to number 2. Circle each group of 10. Write the number of tens, then write the total. So we can see part A, we have oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And we know double 5 is 10. So we have 2 tens. 1, 2. So we write 2 tens. And 2 tens is 20. Now let's go on to part B. Part B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens, and 4 tens make 40. So 4 10 is 40. Part C. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So double 5 is 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. So, and 5 tens is 50. That's correct. Part D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. And 3 tens is 30. Now let's go on to the fast finishers. Circle each group of 10 fingers. Then circle the matching number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 tenths, which is 80. Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tenths, which is 50. Now let's go on to practice 3.1. Practice 3.1. Number 1. Circle each group of 10. Write the number of tens, then write the total. So we have to circle the group of tens and write the total. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double 5 is 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tenths. And 7 tenths is 70. Next one, part B. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So double 5 is 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tenths, which is 50. Part C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tenths. And 8 tenths is 80. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we draw the same line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens, which is 60. Now number 2. Count by tens. Write the missing numbers. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80, then 90. There you have it, folks. Compare your answers with mine and make the necessary corrections.